Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Second case of COVID-19 confirmed in New Hampshire. Health officials say first person confirmed with virus attended event despite diagnosis. As a second case of COVID-19 was confirmed in New Hampshire, state health officials said the first person diagnosed with the virus ignored a request to self-isolate. An adult male from Grafton County was confirmed to have the potential deadly coronavirus, according to Dr. Benjamin Chan, the state epidemiologist. Health officials said the newly diagnosed person who had contact with a Dartmouth Hitchcock health employee who was the first person in New Hampshire confirmed to have the virus. Health officials said the first patient attended an invitation-only event Friday despite being told to self-isolate. An official order of isolation was then issued under a state law that allows health officials to order isolation or quarantine measures to prevent the spread of communicable diseases. The Department of Health and Human Services is contacting other people who were at the event and say the people at the social event are considered low risk because they did not have close contact with the patient. The newly diagnosed man is now under isolation, officials said. Chan said that now that New Hampshire has the ability to test for COVID-19, test results will start coming in more quickly. Health officials said earlier Tuesday that 4 people were undergoing testing for COVID-19. Officials updated data to include 3 additional negative tests for the virus, bringing the overall total of negatives to 6. Officials at Dartmouth Tuck Business School said Tuesday they have learned that a number of their students attended a social event with the patient who tested positive. School officials said all of the students are considered to be at low risk, but were asked to follow DHHS guidelines for self-observation. Meanwhile, classes at Riviera Valley Community College were canceled for the day Tuesday because officials became aware of a potential bacteria exposure of one of our instructors at the Claremont campus to a person outside the college community who is being tested for COVID-19. School officials closed the school as a matter of caution. We have consulted with the Division of Public Health Services, who determined there is not a reason to be considered at this time. The employee will remain off campus for 14 days or upon earlier determination by Division of Public Health Services that the employee does not present a concern, Riviera Valley Community College officials said in a statement. and take a look at this. COVID-19 in New Hampshire. Number of people in New Hampshire who have tested positive for COVID-19. 91,783 number of people worldwide have tested positive. Number of deaths for COVID-19 in New Hampshire is 0. 9 number of deaths of COVID-19 in the United States. 3,115 number of deaths for COVID-19 worldwide. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.